Today we are going to talk about a very important judgment, especially for young couples who wish to do court marriage but face opposition from their families or society. The Supreme Court has clearly held that if two adults want to marry out of their free will, no family member, relative, community group or Khap Panchayat has any right to stop them or threaten them. Namaskar. Welcome to Delhi Law Firm. Here we explain court marriage and all related legal rights in simple language so that every person can understand their protection and constitutional rights clearly.
Absolutely. The historic Supreme Court judgment in Shakti Vahini versus Union of India makes it clear that every adult has the absolute right to choose their life partner. For court marriage, no permission is required from anyone, not from parents, not from society, and not from any panchayat. The consent of two adults is completely sufficient.
The Supreme Court also said that the decision to marry is connected directly to a person's dignity and personal autonomy. If anyone tries to pressurize them, threaten them, stop them, or commit any violence, it is a violation of their fundamental rights. Ensuring the safety of couples who wish to do court marriage is the responsibility of the police and administration, not to force them into compromise.
Khap panchayats or any such group, no matter what they call themselves, cannot take the law into their own hands. Calling meetings, humiliating couples, threatening them, or forcing them to break their marriage, everything is illegal. If any couple feels threatened, they have the right to immediate police protection. The Supreme Court has also directed all states to ensure a safe environment for couples who choose court marriage.
Therefore, if two adults want to do court marriage, it is their fundamental right. Whether caste is different, religion is different, or the family is opposite, the law always respects the independent choice of adults. Any pressure in the name of honor or tradition is a punishable offense.
Delhi Law Firm is always ready to help couples with court marriage, legal support, and safety. If you face any threat from your family or society, need police protection, or want complete guidance on the court marriage process, you can contact us anytime. For court marriage and police protection, visit www.delhilawfirm.news.